Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nina. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my pineapple rice. I said I was going to do a clearer video on how I make this rice, but everybody, like a lot of people are in my DMs asking me to just post the video. I was thinking I will make like a more appropriate video when I get to Lagos, but I figured out since I have much details, I should just do it, post this one I did while I was in the villa. So here you go. I have my pineapple, I have my groundnut oil, I have my sweet corn, I have my cut liver, my sliced liver, and I have in there my cashew nuts. Of course, we're making a tropical pineapple rice, so yeah. I have carrots, I have my soy sauce, turmeric, the white rice we'll be using, sausages, green beans, green pepper, and the red bell pepper. We have the cabbage, we have our eggs, I have my scotch bonnet, and I have my red onions. So let's get right into this video. So first, I'm going to be scrambling my eggs. Yes, the first thing you want to do with this step with this recipe is scramble your eggs. So me, I just scramble the eggs. I don't bother seasoning it or adding anything to it before I fry. I just go ahead and then fry them. Please guys, this video is going to be really all over the place. The person holding the camera was just you guys have to pardon me, but this video was just so disorganized. She was holding the camera and also helping me out in the kitchen. So yeah, I'm sorry. So now I scrambled my eggs. Like you all know, we're making the pineapple rice. Cut your pineapple into half. So the next thing you want to do, because I will also be serving my rice with the pineapple, so the first thing I'm going to do is to dice the pineapple, and this is the technique I like to use when cutting the pineapple like this. Please don't cut too deep. Do not cut too deep. If you cut too deep, it's going to affect this part of the pineapple. And remember, we are going to be using this to serve our rice, so you don't create holes in there. So this pattern works for me. It makes it easy for the pineapple to easily just pop out. So the next thing now is I'm going to scooping them out. You see? Don't worry, this pineapple is not a waste. We'll be using that for the rice. You see, the juice is coming out. We are also going to be using the juice of this pineapple. So you scoop till you get to almost the bottom part. So guys, this is what we have. Our plate for the rice. So I'm going to turn that upside down, and then I'll do the same for this one. In goes our onions and ginger and garlic, fresh pepper, so you want to fry this for about 2 minutes. All of this vegetable. I'm going to be remaining some of the carrots.
sausages, diced liver, please do this on me. So I'm adding my turmeric for color. Some chicken seasoning, our cashew nut, soy sauce. I'm adding soy sauce now. If you have oyster sauce, it's also good for this recipe. Sweet corn. So now we'll be adding our juice, our pineapple juice. Then you stir. Please, use a sweet pineapple. So now that you've added liquid, that's the pineapple juice, you want to be careful the way you stir your rice so it doesn't become soggy. Next is my cabbage. This is my cabbage. Red and green pepper for extra flavor, and scrambled eggs. We're still cooking on low heat. Please be gentle with stirring. Do not semoy your corn. So Oluchi here is going to be our first taster. Show her. So you're going to taste and let us know. So first I will eat this with my rice. How does it taste?
So nice. Like,
I know. It's delicious. Yes. So this is the end of the we have our second taster. Chuba, my G.
Can I take that?
Are you sure?
No.
What does it taste like? Like, what do you feel? Is it different from the normal fries?
Yeah, it's not just that.
Wahala. Okay, let's start. Chineye method.
let's have a big plate. That's the work. You don't come and don't buy.
Inke, you are popping. This bacon.
This is so nice.
That's it for this video, guys. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and leave this smile on my face. I love you. Mwah.